Hey team, I'm making this video to show you how to use Wimba Classroom inside of Georgia View Vista. Right now I'm inside of my previous quality management class. It's still open currently, so I decided I'd go in here and try to use Wimba. So the way she had it set up, I'm just going to hit back real quick and show you, is on her main page, she just had a button for Wimba Classroom for groups. And since I was in group one already shows up. I click on group one and it takes me to this, and I can enter the room. It also gives me dial-in numbers. Before I even enter the room, I can dial in this number without entering the room. But I'm going to enter the room. It's going to ask me, is your computer ready, and ask me to run a wizard. I've already ran this wizard and I have everything working properly, but you may want to hit this just in case you are having some issues. So it's testing my pop-ups, test to see if I have Java. Now it's testing my playback. And as you can see, as I talk, the bars go up on the little bar right there. And I can hear.
Congratulations. If you can hear this message, audio playback is working properly on your computer. Please click next to continue.
See, you'll hear that message saying that you can hear playback. Now it's recording. The way I have it set up is when you hit control, that's when you talk. So I'm holding control right now and it's letting me speak. So, and then it's playing my voice back. You should hear an echo right now. Alright, now we are ready to launch Wimba. Sometimes it takes a second to load up. Okay, one thing the professor's asking us to do is to make sure that we always archive. And as you can see right here in this box, it's saying, do you want to archive this presentation? I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. From my previous class, there's already a PowerPoint uploaded into here, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you the PowerPoint. There are no features like transitions or anything. You can't use any transitions in your PowerPoint. So if you're making a PowerPoint solely to use on Wimba, there's no need to do any of the special add-ons like the transitions and effects and things. But basically I'm just going to click down slide to slide like this. So for instance, if I was giving a PowerPoint on myself, first slide might have a picture and a little bit about me, and I would just talk about it. When I'm done, click to the next slide. To actually upload, you would go to import, which is right here. All you do is hit this, go to choose file, and then you would just find your file wherever it may be. You can also upload web content. You can make it in a new window, or you can put it inside the content frame, or just make it where you can see it yourself. So if I was to, let's say, eBay, I'm just going to see if this works. And it should bring the web page eBay inside the content frame, and then you can actually navigate the web page and people can see what you're doing. Okay, you have an e-board or a whiteboard, and this is just where you can maybe draw some things, type some things out. You could even create some charts or some things like that, diagrams. Alright, and I can share my desktop so you can actually see my entire desktop. while I'm doing all this. I'm going to go over some of the menu options down here. You actually have a button here. You can click with your pointer, your mouse pointer, to talk like that. But like I said, I set control for my talk button, and every time I hit control and hold it down, that's when I speak. You can also notice when I hit control, it lights up here, and it also lights up right here. You can adjust the volume there. This will give you, I believe, the phone number to call in and the PIN. And here under the options, we have a whole lot of things to look at. We'll keep this video bandwidth at the higher 256. Our video inputs, I'm going to have to change this because this is actually just a video capture card. This is my video camera, so I need to change that to my video camera. Okay. Audio controls. You can turn your speaker volume up, down, microphone volume up, down. Filters. Let's see. Audio inputs. Let's see. Talk by clicking. I have this checked, which means I have to click a button for it to talk, and then I change the talk hotkey, which is the button I'm going to use, to the control button. You can use F8 or you can use none. Those are the only options it gives you. Or you can lock talk. If you lock the talk button, then it's going to talk every time you speak. One bad thing about that is if you have a noisy household, you have dogs barking in the background like I do many times, then all that noise gets pushed through and it can make it really hard to have a good meeting that way. Alright, and you can turn on or off the hand raise chime. I would leave it on just so you know when someone does start speaking, especially when we're in a maybe a phase where we're thinking, we're doing some brainstorming, and then someone thinks of an idea. Then you don't have to necessarily look at the screen all the time and see if someone's talking. You can just listen for the chime. See if I can get this video to work. I haven't used it. We didn't use it last semester. Let's just see if I can get the camera to work. Oh no. Oh well, I can't show you using it because I'm using the video camera to actually record this video. So alright, but it would normally work, and all you would have to do is you would click the video camera button here, and then you would click this little closed eye icon, and it would turn on the video. So that's a basic run through of Wimba and how it works. Very easy to use, not too hard at all. Actually, I did miss one thing. You can text. Also, you can use text. So we could actually use that as well. If someone's mic wasn't working, they could use that, and we could pay attention to that. All right, well, I think that is it. I hope this helps you guys. See you later.